Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the best top combos in DTI. So if you're ready to level up your Roblox fashion game in this Match Was DTI tutorial, I'm going to reveal the best top combos to totally transform your outfits and make every runway moment iconic. So this is the look of the top combos, and you only need to use two items to create this look. So let me show you how. So first you can just head to the dressing room in here and put on this code items, this uniform, and toggle it into default but remove the bow, and in here you can choose any color that you prefer or any patterns that you want. So let's say I'm going to use these patterns in here. Like this, and then you can combine it with this skirt. So I'm going to remove the skirt first. So combine it with this winter mini skirt, and now you can toggle it into no belts and just use the same color or patterns for the skirt. So you'll get this top. This is how the top will look like, and now you can just add the bottom. You can add pants, you can add skirt like this, for example. So add any bottoms or pants that you like. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.